Hello, Bag Family. We're here at this security house, adding some appliances. Now, this is a storeroom that might eventually get turned into another room, but that's where the ceiling fan goes, and that's where we put the light at. I'm not quite sure what that right there goes to. I'll ask. So as we come out here, here's another light fixture. And my 2 cents about this right here is he stuck it up too high. The average person that frequents the place cannot reach up there without the assistance of a ladder. So I'm not too excited about that there because it's a little too high. You know what I'm saying? And we did turn that upright. Before it was upside down. Here's a switch right here that when activated will operate the light out there at the front gate, security gate. So as we come on down, you see these lights right here. Each room has a outside light right outside the door for their conveniences. So let's see what okay, we got these here. Now in the bathroom, wow. One of the few times I've come in here and the bathroom was clear or clean. There's the light here for that. Now where's my switch? Okay, I guess that's what my switch is supposed to go right there. That's not done. All right, inside here, the TV room. Got the outlet there. There's a light. And that's where the ceiling fan goes. Now, inside here is the kitchen. They say we got water. Let's see. Oh, it's perhaps turned off. Okay, it is on. Okay, there is water here. Okay. I just want to find out why this is wet down here. Why is the floor wet? So it's something for me to ask the plumber. So anyway, in here, this is pretty much finished up with the exception of the glass windows and a paint job. Then this is officially finished. Again, the glass windows and a paint job. Same thing for this room here too. A paint job and a ceiling fan. All right. See if we can close this up right here, because anybody can come into the security house and have access to the bathroom or the kitchen or the TV room. So we want to block this off right here with some blocks with those holes through them where you can kind of see outside and for ventilation too. And right here is where we're going to put a door. We're going to put a door. All right, Doug, be safe. So anyway, that's what's going on. And again, now, that's the only thing right there that sort of egged me a little bit. It's so high up there. But I guess that's for a reason. Your girl ain't going with you? Huh? Oh, okay then. Let's see what's going on around here. They brought a power drill out here, connected it to a generator, and they're putting outside lights out. I forgot to show you that part of it. Okay, see we have outside lights to light it up a little bit. I hope these guys get that up. I don't know why they don't just clean up when they're done, but they just drop it like that. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. So anyway, it's coming over here. Putting it up out here. On the side. As well as back here. All right, here's a bathroom, and it's supposed to be fully functional, but for some reason that water right there ain't going down, so we'll have to ask the plumber why. But let's see if this will flush. Okay, that looks good. Now, stop, Sesame. Whew. Scared there for a minute there. I thought I broke that. Anyway, it stopped. And again, the glass, excuse me, the burglar proof of the security bars are coming, as well as the door. Just gotta go over there and take care of my man.
Oh. Great.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have to charge. We're gonna have to change this because this broke. This.
Okay.
Actually,
It's a plastic, or the entire thing up there broke?
no, it's this plastic, but the plastic is it's normally in the pack of this.
Oh, so we got to take it out and change it?
Yeah.
No problem. Just we would pull it out and change
So
it
I'm
then.
gonna have to stop here,
Stop it.
here, for the water to come here, so that they can use it.
Okay, no problem. Do what you got to do.
All right.
All right. All right. All right. Looks good over here now. It looks good over here. All right. Oh yeah.
And,
Oh, except for this right here. What's going on with this
no,
here?
no. I'm the one that let the water sit there.
Oh, okay then. Oh, okay. I see now.
Yeah.
Okay. Got you then.
So,
Got you.
and this kind of smells around. Like I want us to extend like a 110 here.
You say extend. What do you mean
Like,
extend?
put a 110 here for it to breathe out.
A 110
110, like these
soak away?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pipe here.
So you want to
it has,
put
the whole area has only one breathing place. Which
Right.
Is there.
Right.
So we gotta adjust it like two. We have one here and one over there.
So so we're gonna do what now? Show me exactly what you're talking about. You're gonna punch a hole in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to punch a hole here.
Okay then.
Put the T there,
Yeah.
like this, and put another T in there.
Okay, then run it up like this.
Yeah.
Okay then. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put one here.
Here, and then one here.
Where at?
One.
On this one too.
Yeah, the main one here.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Just let us know what you need and stuff like that, and adjust the price, whatever. All right. Thank you. Yep. All right. Add a little more ventilation to the soakaway, because right now we've only got this one right here, and that aroma will hit you when you go past it. So it might be because we don't have a cap on top of it, but we're going to give it a little bit more ventilation and stuff. So let me go over here and parlay this information to Sweet Juicy Mama on what I just identified. Now she's gonna hit me with about 1,100 questions about this and that and this and that. I ask her, come on, let's go over here and film this and let's check out stuff. She's like, oh no, I'm busy, on YouTube and watching these comments that are aggravating me and annoying me. I'm not gonna go. So when I come back, then she's gonna ask me this and that, 1,100 questions. So anyway, let me come on back. All right. Bye, bag family.